guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to a Sawal Saturday video. It is the first video that goes up this year. So happy new year, friends. I hope you had a very good start to the year. And if not, then there's always tomorrow or today or day after to start. So it's all gonna be fine. New Year resolution में मैं जब बना रही थी तो मैंने कहा सबसे पहली बात ये होनी चाहिए कि I should make more Sawal Saturday videos because let's be serious, it's very important for my mental health that this keeps happening very often. हर बार जब मैं सवाल सैटरडे की वीडियोस करती हूँ तो I take questions from the comment section. This time because it's the first one of the year and I intend on doing a lot more. I know you don't believe me but I'm trying to prove you wrong here. We'll see. ये बात थोड़ा अलग है. हमेशा comments से होता है and today I actually went through my emails and we have some beautiful emails that have made me extremely emotional and happy and overwhelmed. तो मैंने कहा उसको करते हैं. I will not take names because a lot of these emails have actually come to me in confidence. But obviously मैं पूरे के पूरे emails नहीं पढ़ूंगी. But there are some things that made me very happy and there were some questions. So I wanted to answer them here. Alright. The first one is, I am thrilled first and newest book release. It is a genre that I love to read and I cannot wait to get my hands on it as I'm pre-ordering it. Yeah! I would like to know if there's a possibility of a book signing session, as I would love to get my copy of Too Good to Be True signed by her, which is by me. I look forward to hearing from you. Yes, ma'am, there is, or sir, there is going to be a book signing. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you this, but hey, what the hell. There's actually going to be a whole tour. 13th Jan को book release हो रही है, which is आज 4 Jan है ना? Like a little over a week. The book is releasing. So 13th Jan ko obviously there's going to be a launch event. There's going to be a book signing that's going to happen at that launch event. सबके details मैं अपने Instagram और अपने YouTube पे share कर दूंगी जैसे ही मेरे पास आएंगे. And then I'm going to go on tour on different cities across our beautiful country and I'm going to be doing lots of signings. I'm going to be doing lots of reading of the excerpts. I'm going to be speaking at Lit Fest and it's all very legit and it's all very there. पूरा का पूरा tour जो है वो announce हो जाएगा time से. Don't worry, just make sure you follow me on Instagram and over here, so I'll make the announcements everywhere. And yeah, 13th and 14th में मुंबई में हो. 14th Jan ko I think I'm doing a bunch of book signings in different bookstores in Mumbai. So make sure if you're from Mumbai and if you want to come to one of these signings or just come meet me, hug me. I'm going to need your hugs, dude. I am so nervous about this book launch. तो अगर आप free हो, आ जाओ. Free hugs for everyone. This came in a day before Mismatch Season 3 released. So exciting for tomorrow Mismatch Season 3 launch. I love you so much. You're an incredible person and soul. And please Purna Kori family Montu and Hense script kar. I'm following you from lockdown and watch your videos. I wish you all the happiness. Wealth, health comes to you. From one P to another P. Thank you so much. I remember reading this on the night of the release of Mismatched. And there are multiple messages like this. मेरे DMs में थे, मेरे emails में थे, and you have no clue how much strength that has given me. मुझे लगता है कि पिछले 2 महीने से एक भी ऐसा दिन नहीं हुआ है जब मैं उठी हूँ और मेरी बैंड नहीं बजी पड़ी. मतलब रोज किसी नए चीज से मैं डरी हुई उठी हूँ, in a good way only, but I'm still constantly nervous and overwhelmed and anxious and there's so much happening and I wouldn't have it any other way. But sometimes it gets a little too much to handle and then when I see messages like this, I'm like, it's fine. It's okay. Hi Prajudi, I am 15-year-old teenager girl. Hello cutie. I want some book suggestions from your site. Can you please suggest me some books? 15 साल. अभी देखो, honestly बताओ तो जो books मैं अभी पढ़ रही हूँ वो तुम्हें अपने 15 साल की उम्र में पढ़ने नहीं चाहिए. But if you want to start reading 3 books, I'll tell you 3 books. Number 1 is The Diary of a Young Girl, which is Anne Frank's diary. Please, you need to read it. You need to read this book. You need to know about this fascinating woman called Anne Frank. If you don't know about her, then please pick this book up. Even if you know about her, just pick this book up. It's her diary. उन्होंने अपनी डायरी में जो जर्नल एंट्रीज करी थी जब वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 चल रहा था, वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ हाइडिंग में चली गई थी एक छोटे से एनेक्स के अंदर. वहां पे वो रोज अपनी डायरी, जिनका नाम उन्होंने किटी रखा था, उसमें वो अपना दिन जर्नल करती थी. एंड यू लर्न सो मच अबाउट दिस, आई थिंक 13-year-old गर्ल who is just this most beautiful human being I've ever read about. So please read The Diary of a Young Girl. Please read The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. And I think you should read Short Stories by Ruskin Bond. Yeah. Okay, next. Hey Prajakta, in your recent reels I saw a wall design of a tree. I guess in your home. Can you please direct me where you've purchased it? I've bought a house for my mom. You bought a house for your mom? And I want that tree as a part of her room. Please share some direct. Hey! Congratulations, my friend. This is beautiful. यार वो ट्री हमारे घर थाने में ना घर के एक खेवरा सर्कल करके एरिया है, वहां पे एक लोकल आर्टिसान्स का एग्जीबिशन लगता है कि ओडिशा से, राजस्थान से, मध्य प्रदेश से, कश्मीर से, हर जगह से अलग अलग आर्टिस्ट आते हैं और अपना काम, मतलब आर्टिसान्स का सारा काम एग्जीबिशन पे होता है. I think Mama picked it up from one of those. So if you have like a local artisan, because it's a very common piece, I've seen it in a lot of places. अगर आप किसी local artisan exhibition, is it artisan or artisans? Artisans. So if you go to any local artisans exhibition, I'm sure you'll find it there. Seeking your guidance on journaling process. I hope this email finds you well. It found me very well, my friend. Thank you. And I'm from Sri Lanka. Hello, I've been an admirer of your work. I'm relatively new to journaling and only learned about it this year. While I've practiced it to a certain extent, I want to approach it more intentionally and properly in 2025. I think that's a great resolution. I have few conclusions regarding journaling that I deeply wish to clarify. I often find that regular journaling helps me release inner pressure by allowing me to write freely, regardless of whether my thoughts are good or bad. What are your thoughts on this? Should I keep I'm hesitant to mix these raw emotions with the positive space of my gratitude and manifestation journal. That's a very good question. What are your thoughts? I think, and I completely understand. Basically, you're asking me कि मुझे कभी-कभी बहुत अच्छे वाले thoughts आते हैं, which I wish to write and manifest. But then I also have these raw, not so likable thoughts when I'm angry or I'm upset, and I like writing them because they make me feel lighter. Should I keep these journals different or should I keep them together? Honestly, I felt the same because I usually get very superstitious about things that I'm trying to manifest. So if I write down my visions or whatever I want in my life, I don't want that to be touched by any kind of negativity. But I came to realize that these are both parts of me and I have to like them both equally, because unless and until I completely accept the sides of me or the feelings that I feel which are not so pleasant, I'm never going to get beyond them. So what I started doing was that I started clubbing them together and I started writing them in the same journal, because that way when you go back and read your journal, you realize that there's so much you have overcome to reach where you are, and eventually it all translates into positive manifestation because you have made your peace with things that are not so pleasant, with your angers or things that don't satisfy you or things that make you upset, while working towards finding happiness. So that's a really good question, but I don't think you should differentiate between these two sides of you. I think they make you who you are, so journal them together. None of that makes sense. Okay, the next one is again special, and thank you so much for sharing this. The subject is: you were instrumental in helping me tackle depression. Like most others, I started watching your videos for some laughs and entertainment, but I realized there were so many deep thoughts you put across through your videos, and it helped to gain so much perspective. Just wanted to say that you've accelerated my life towards healing and positivity. I wanted to give my gratitude directly to you. Thank you so much. I don't know if you'll ever receive this email, but I'm just putting it out there. I did receive the email. Thank you very, very much for saying that. And you know, it's so important. कई बारी ऐसा हो जाता है ना कि any kind of consumption of content can become very, how do I say this, isolating. It's one brain to one brain. Like whatever I have put out, you're sitting in bed and you're watching it. You will watch it with your family or your friends, but like when you're surfing Instagram and you're seeing my picture, something like that, and I feel like making that effort to actually go beyond liking or double tapping and sending me an email like this means so much to me. So thank you so much. I would like to tell you that you have also, like, emails like this, support from viewers like you has also helped me get through some really, 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 really tough days. So I want to tell you that the feeling is mutual, and while you have extended your gratitude, I accept it, but at the same time I want to extend mine to you and tell you that thank you. Okay, this cutie is 13 years old. I just want to let you know that you're my biggest inspiration. Thank you. I hope you're happy no matter what kind of day you have. Oh, that's such a sweet thing to say. You've taught me that being myself is the best thing I can do. I love how you make people smile and also talk about important things that matter. It's so cool how you use your platform to spread positivity and awareness. Thank you. Thank you very much. It can get a little overwhelming, honestly, some days when I feel like I've taken on too much on my plate. But then it's okay. There's no right way of doing it. So Trial and error is the way to go. So thank you so much for these emails, because this is my only report card na. मतलब मैं करूंगी सब कुछ, but unless and until you tell me what you think about it or you share such feelings with me, I will never know कि क्या हो रहा है. So thank you so much. Again, I promise I'll do a lot more Sawal Saturday videos. But while I'm here, I just want to tell you that I have been blown away by the kind of support and the kind of almost blind love that you all have shown to the book, to season 3 of Mismatch, to all of us. It is surreal. मेरे लिए अभी तक वो kind of digest करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है. And you know what is happening? Like the pylon of those feelings keeps happening, because I was trying to deal with Mismatch when the book started coming up. I'm trying to deal with the book when the release is coming up. I'm trying to deal with the release when the book tour is coming up. And then there's another huge thing happening. So I'm just in the process of processing everything, and whilst I'm doing that, these messages and emails from you help a lot. So thank you so much for doing that. I'm gonna go now. If you like this video and if you have any questions, please put in the comment section below with the hashtag Sawal Saturday, and I will answer them. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget, I come up with new videos as and when I can. That's the new thing. I'm gonna try harder. I'm gonna see you soon. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do that, because all the details of the book signing, the book launch, the book tour are gonna be shared there. So yeah, I will see you again soon. Until we meet, love.